Yes, guys, you have read correctly. Today is a historical day for Bitcoin, and this will go into the books because of the weekly close that we are seeing here in a couple of hours on the Bitcoin chart. Because this is the highest Bitcoin close in the last 2 months, and we are also above the 200 weekly EMA, which is a key indicator for Bitcoin on a macro time frame to be in an uptrend or in a downtrend. So, and if you want to know more about this, then definitely smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. And now let's get directly back to the Bitcoin chart. So here it really looks like that we will close above the 200 EMA because we would need to dump almost $2,000 down to not close above the 200 EMA, so which I believe is highly unlikely. So when we go back here in the past and we are looking every time when we touched here the 200 EMA, we got a massive rally upwards just a couple of weeks after. So, but now the question is, how high can we actually go here in the immediate short term? So, and let me show it to you guys what I believe. Let me get the right chart here. So, what I believe is the same thing what I had said yesterday, that we come back here to the bottom of that red resistance area, and from there we will get a bounce above this and then break higher, and we'll go all the way up to potentially $31,000. So how do I come up with that technical target? Let me show it to you guys. So for that I go to a daily chart. That target, so first of all we have to convincingly break out of this rising wedge pattern. Otherwise we still have to be here neutral to a little bit bearish, because technically we could still come all the way down here to hit the support line and potentially break this to go here lower, because we are still on a daily time frame in this bearish pattern, even though the Bitcoin price tries to break here definitely out. And we have seen this here multiple times already, that the Bitcoin price tries to break out of this rising wedge. So once we are breaking out of this rising wedge, so there will be some resistance coming in around 25,000 actually here. So there will be some resistance coming in, and just slightly above this also here. So these are the next two resistance levels to watch once we are breaking out of this rising wedge here to the upside. So, and they will definitely give Bitcoin a heavy resistance on the way up. But once we have cleared this resistance zone, we will go straight up to 28,000, 29,000, and potentially to close to 31,000. So, and here, this is the level to watch for 31,000. And of course, that will not happen tomorrow. That will take a couple of days, couple of weeks before we hit this target. So, but in my opinion, this is definitely coming in the next, let's say, 4 to 5 weeks. Mark my words. Mark this video, write in the comments what you believe. But I say 4 to 5 weeks, $31,000 for Bitcoin. So right now we are above $24,000, and that is actually also a really important level. I had pointed that out on another occasion already. So because last time the bull run started, once we broke here above $24,000, and now we are above that level, if we can close above $24,500, then we will also see further upwards movement for the Bitcoin price in the imminent short term. So I also want to point out to today's sponsor, which is Delta Exchange. So Delta Exchange is not a new exchange. Delta is already for quite a while around. I know Delta. I think they exist since 2018. So, and I'm trialing right now here to trade on this platform. I actually wanted to see where the bottom here is 24,312. From that level, I will actually long. So 24,300, and let's make it 20. I will be longing with 25x once we are hitting there. So, and my take profit I will put at $26,000. I feel just a trial fund of $100. So, but I would get out here with over 200% in profit if I will hit this target. So let me see. Confirm the limit order. Yes, place order. So, and just to explain you quick how this works, you have to go here to the homepage. So there you register. So once you have registered, you go to deposit. So now you have to verify only your phone number. Then you can select the coin that you want to deposit. You deposit the coin. You go to trade futures in my case, and then you place your trade. So I'm trying to play the potential bounce that is coming from this resistance zone, which is about to flip into a support zone. So that is my game plan for the immediate short term here. My trade that I have still open on Bybit, so you see it's in a slight loss, but just a percent, so it's absolutely fine. It was today already a couple $1,000 in profit. I'm keeping this trade open because I still believe we can hit this target as I have just pointed out. And if you also want to trade on Bybit, don't forget guys, there's still $4,450 in bonuses up for grasp. If you lose here, my specific link, and also on BitGet there are $8,000 in bonuses plus 15% on discount on the fees, also only with my specific link guys. So definitely take advantage of that, because these bonuses, I know the date already, they are running out soon, so definitely take advantage of them right now. So now let's get back here into the hourly chart. Here on the hourly chart, we can also clearly see that Bitcoin is running right now here into the resistance of 24,570 and the resistance of this rising wedge that I've just shown you earlier at 24,667. But as you can see, the stochastic RSI is here on the bottom already, so it's oversold, and we should see here then soon a reversal back to the upside, and of course then also above the resistance, and continue then to go here into higher levels. I don't see here massive downside, besides if the daily would close below or within the rising wedge. So then we have of course the downside risk that we go all the way to the bottom of this rising wedge. Guys, that's it already for today's video. Definitely check also out my free Telegram channel. I actually shared my Bybit trade there absolutely for free with everybody. So, and if you want more than just one signal a day that I give for free in my free channel, then go to my paid channel. There I send 3 to 5 signals every day. This link will connect you directly with my staff, and they will give you all the infos that you need. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen. And I will see you then again tomorrow.